Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this trade that we just took in. This is a 2022 Sportsman 227 Masters bay boat. Guys, beautiful boat here, fully loaded. Comes with this aluminum tandem axle trailer with surge brakes, powered with a 250 show, approximately 22 hours, trim tabs completely loaded out. Let's take a look at the inside. All right guys, welcome aboard the 227 Masters. Taking a look at the bow, you'll see a nice raised platform, perfect for casting, throwing your cast net. And at the front, you'll see it's got the Minn Kota 112-pound thrust, 36-volt Ulterra self-deploy. Guys, you got these nice cushions, backrests that drop in and out for when you're riding versus fishing. You also got rod lockers underneath here on both sides, which is exceptionally nice. And they also lock, so you can put your fishing rods in here, lock them when you're traveling. In front of the helm, you've got a fish box or a cooler. Taking a look at the back, you've got live wells on port and starboard side. Big live wells, guys, ton of room. They also have separate aeration, so you can, if you're recircling water, or you can just bubble your minnows, bait, whatever you got. Plenty of options there. Nice flip up back seat for cruising that conveniently lays back down. Nice deluxe leaning post, guys. Rocket launchers in the back. Tackle box storage located underneath it. Plenty of room for a big 74-quart cooler. Flip down bolsters. Nice diamond press stitching. Taking a look at the helm, guys, you'll see it's got twin 8610 Garmin's, Ritchie compass, all your electronic switches, fusion stereo, trim tabs. Guys, what a phenomenal boat with only 22 hours, located here at MarineMax in Greenville. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our showroom. Thank you and have a nice day.